In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create curvy backgrounds with Canva. Curvy backgrounds are a simple way to add movement and personality to your designs. Whether you are making a presentation slide, a social post, or a website graphic, I'll walk you through the exact process, share what to search for, and give you practical tips so your result looks polished and intentional. First, open Canva and start a new design. If you already know the dimensions you need, select your custom size right away. Enter the width and height that fit your project so your background looks crisp and perfectly framed from the start. This avoids having to resize later and keeps your shapes smooth and clean. Next, look to the left-hand panel and navigate to the Elements tab. This is where you'll find the shapes and graphics that create those flowing, organic curves. In the search bar at the top, type in keywords like blob, curved shape, wave graphic, or curvy background. These terms surface a wide range of options, from soft organic blobs to long, wavy ribbons. You'll see both free and pro results. Pick what suits your account and your style. Browse the available graphics and select one you like. Aim for a shape that complements your content rather than competing with it. Softer, larger curves tend to make great backdrops because they add interest without overwhelming text or photos. Once you've chosen a graphic, click it to add it to your canvas. Now customize the color to match your design palette. Use colors that support your message and maintain good contrast with any text you plan to place on top. If you are going for a subtle look, try a lighter tint of your primary color. If you want more energy, pick a bold accent and pair it with a neutral background. Resize and position the element on your canvas to cover the area you want. Drag the corner handles to scale the shape without distorting it. And rotate slightly if that helps the curve flow across your layout. You can stretch it to fill the entire page, leaving a smooth curved edge that frames your content, or duplicate the shape and place multiple pieces to build a more dynamic, layered design. Overlapping similar hues creates depth, while contrasting colors can define sections and guide the eye. That's it. Thanks for watching.